What's the name of your channel? Okay. Yep.
So I didn't turn on my microphone. Okay, so I guess I found it, and there you go. I sent it. Tell me if that works.
Yeah, works.
Okay, so right now I'm opening the studio on my second monitor.
Like Inception with the
Yeah.
So okay, from default we got some default place where we can start. Usually I'm choosing the base plate because it's clear, and just because it's clear, yeah. So the game concept is collecting coins, right?
Yep.
Let me just open it. So I guess we can start with taking some assets. First of all, I'm going to get a coin. Since I don't know, I'm not really good at modeling, I can use Toolbox. It's a free asset storage from other players. I can just search coin, and there's a lot of different ways to get coins. So I'm just gonna get this one, and delete some useless scripts. Okay, here. So we got a coin. There are also several folders, such as server script service and server storage. Since Roblox is client server game, multiplayer platform, game splits on client side and server side. So client side can't see server side, such as these folders, so they can't access them, but they can access replicated first, replicated storage, and everything else. So I'm gonna store my asset here. So for our game, I guess we also need a I guess let's make a little platform so we can understand where we can collect coins. I'm just gonna make it very simple. In the future it can be replaced with maps, but wait, I can actually search for the map if I want to. So let me take a little map such as this one, and perfect. Okay, we'll just change scale a little, and now we're done. So I want to also make a little lobby so people can have an intermission before the game begins. In Roblox there's a starter object called spawn location, which spawns people in this place, and they like can't go anywhere else. So I guess we're done with the main part. So let's begin the scripting. So first of all, I'm creating a script in Soba Script service. So I guess in the future you will understand. I'll call like main loop. I will add a few variables such as intermission time. So let's say 10 seconds. So like before the game begins, we have to wait 10 seconds and then we can play. And then call. How do you want to make a game? Like people have to reach, let's say, 10 coins, or they have a limited time to collect them? Which one we go?
Say again.
Which way we go? We make time limited when they can collect coins, or players have to reach a certain amount of coins to complete the game.
I would say like who has the most coins after
I mean,
like 5.
let's say people have to collect 10 coins and then player ends, or we can make it so player has 16 seconds before the game ends.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, that's better. Like
Okay.
time constraint.
Okay, so oh yeah, that was right. Collect time is another variable, which means round time. Let's make it 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. So and now we begin. First of all, I'm going to make a little loop, and we have to wait some intermission time before playing the game. So we're printing some comments. I don't know if I have to tell which part of script what does. Do I have to?
Yeah, would be great too.
Alright, so this one is infinite loop, which will always repeats when all actions are done here, and wait is comment that allows server to wait certain time before continuing the action. So right now we're waiting 10 seconds before the game begins, and then we want to teleport all players on this place. So I'm going to make a part. This part is going to be my spawn location. I'm going to spawn players randomly on the map, so they're not stuck in one place. And yeah, here. Going to make it here, I guess. Count spawn part. So I'm going to make some properties so it's invisible and players can't collide it. Okay, so I'm going to save certain amount of players so others can join the game. I'm going to make players get players. So game players is the place, this one. It's a place where all clients are stored. So if we want to get a list of all players in the game, we're going to use this command get players. It will return a table with all players in the game. So now we're going to teleport all them in the map. So this one loop is it repeats several times and then continues the action. So player character that I will explain it. 9 root part Okay, I'm going to explain it now. Right now, I'm going to make a comment that all players are being teleported in the game. Let me just show you. I'm going to make some prints so we understand what's going on. Right now, this comment is kind of broken. Player is right here, where since we're getting one player from the table of all our players, where again it's character, it's Roblox property, and we're getting his humanoid root part. So let me show you. Yeah, don't mind about the servers, it's broken. So we got like our player here. We can see here the character, it's only used in scripts, but if we go in the workspace and then click ourselves, it's our character. And we also got humanoid root part, which is the main part of humanoid and which we are going to teleport into the game. Okay, so now we're walking. I also want to save my map in variable, so it's easy to access it. Okay, let's say map equals wait for child. I will just call it map. So this one, wait for child, is the thing when game hasn't loaded yet, it won't return an error and will wait until this asset will be loaded into the game. So once we get the map, we're going to start our loop. Now I'm going to make spawn. The spawn part, the position. Oh no, wait. Forgot we're using C-frame. New. C-frame is a matrix thing. Like I guess I understand it's something like I don't know how to say it. High mathematics. I don't know. Instead of usual vectors, yeah, that will be correct. So I'm going to use map dot spawn part dot position plus vector3 dot new. I will save the spawn part because I want to access it real fast. It's the same thing with the map. I just want to access this one part really fast. So spawn part, I can replace it here. Spawn part dot size dot x. Oh no, wait, I'm being wrong. So in Roblox there's mathematical methods such as math.random, which will pick random value between two values. I'm going to use the minimum of this part, which is I don't know how to spell that. It's around minus wait, its position. It's around minus 16 and plus 16. So spawn part side that makes so then here, since we are going to spawn on the same level, I'm going to leave it I don't know how this called. Oh, it's white. Yeah, I'm going to leave white coordinate 0, and I'm just going to duplicate this one and just replace coordinates. So right now I have to wait, I'm going to save the file. So on game, okay, here we go. So right now, I guess we are going to be teleported into the game. As you can see, start the game starting, and wait 10 seconds. I guess we're also going to add, yeah, there we go, and I'm being teleported into the game. I can also test it with several players, but it's going to take a lot of time, so it's better to finish the game and then test it out. So once the game finished, started, I guess we're going to start spawning coins. Let me just think about it a little. So first of all, I guess we're going to save coin in our variable coin. It's in our server storage. No, just coin. Just coin. Just a coin. Let me check. So, okay, now we can work. I'm going to make a function to spawn our coin. So right now I'm going to make a function, then explain everything. Clone equals coin. Clone. Right now I'm cloning this coin from the server storage, so we can place it in our game. I'm also going to make sure it's anchored, so it won't fall off. Yeah, and it's anchored. Then I'm going to pick a random position for this coin. Position equals. I guess it's better if we create another part which will allow us to spawn coins. Or I can go, yeah, I think I will go a bit harder way because I have to show the workflow, and I'm just going to make it raycasting. So if we got here some sort of objects, they won't appear in them, they're going to be up here. So right now I'm going to search for raycasting in Roblox. So we're going to cast a ray from the top to the bottom to correctly spawn the coin. And there we go. We got developer hub, which will explain how to work with raycasting. Yeah, it will explain everything like this. They also got video about it, like here. So I'm just going to use this little part of code because I'm kind of lazy to type it myself. It's a variable which will save raycast parameters to raycast correctly. I'll make it whitelist map. Okay. Yeah, I guess that will be great. So right now I made a field. We set a filter to whitelist, so it will detect objects on the array only of this map, and filter distance instance is a table where stored all objects that are going to be tested in raycasting, and ignore water is a terrain feature that is not going to be used in this game. So I'm going to make a fast raycasting function. V0 and then direction. Now result equals workspace raycast. Yeah, wait a second, I need to check it. position. Oh yeah, in direction. So p0 direction, and then raycast parameters. So workspace raycast, we're going to make here in this workspace raycasting from 0 position, its function, so it can be different, and direction. But since we're spawning coins on top, we're going to make it going straight down, so it's going to be -1. Raycast params. Raycast params is something that used to raycast. Now we checked if we got a result from raycasting and returning raycast position. There are also some data we can see here, such as instance, normal, and material, but I'm not going to use them because it's not required. Position, and if we didn't hit anything, I'm going just to return p0 plus direction. Okay, we're good. So I'm going to make a random p0 position with this comment we did earlier. Hope I copied it correctly. Messed up somewhere. Just a little. I need to check if I. Oh yeah, now that we're working. So I got the random position on the game, and we are going to make it spawning on top of the surface. Fast raycast p0 picture dot new 0 negative. Let me check the height of this game. So it's around 13. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, 13. I guess is good. -13. 30. Yeah. Now, since we set the position of the coin, we are going to connect event called touched. So if coin is being touched, yeah, just we'll explain it. Wait a second. Okay, never mind. So this touched event reacts when something touches our coin, our object, and returns this object. Right now we're checking if it's a player object. We're doing game.player get player from character hit the parent. So this one is we're accessing the players folder, and command get player from character means that if we got let's say let me place. So let's say we got this body and we got a player inside this folder, so we're requesting to return this character's player and work with it. So if the game returns our player, then that means coin is being touched by player, and we can simply destroy it and add it to the leaderboard. Then clone, destroy, and then spawn coin. So yeah, let's test it out. I will set intermission to 5 seconds because it's too long. Also, is the stream okay, or it's laggy or something? Let me check it.
It's a bit behind, but still we can follow you.
Oh, I got it. It's a bit of delay.
Yeah.
Okay. I just realized that I forgot to set coins as parent, so we can see it in the game. So right now we're placing our cloned cone in the workspace so we can see it. Let's play it. Okay, I guess I messed up somewhere. Oh yeah, I know. I messed up in here. So I need to type spawn coin function so coins start to spawning. And also we are going to add wait collect time so the game doesn't stop instantly. Now let's test it. And there we go. Oh yeah, I need to I need to make it a bit higher. Plus vector 3.new coin dot size y. Okay, we're good. Yeah, we're good. So right now coin should be spawning correctly. And still not. Okay, I guess I messed up again. Let me check it again. Oh, I got it. Wait, I want to check it. Oh yeah, it's inverted. So the problem was that the coin was flipped. Oh wait, wrong one. So the coin was flipped and I was checking this side to correctly spawn it, but it's not the right side. It should be fixed now. And yeah, now we're walking. So if I touch this, it's going to spawn in the random position. And again. And again. But to not make them spawn infinite, I'm going to make a bool value to check if the game has started. If it's not the game, then we're going to delete the coin. Local round. Oh, wait, I guess this one would be better. Equals false. So right now we're not playing, so it's not going to spawn. I'm going to return if not playing, then return end. So we just return nothing and nothing spawns. Playing equals true. And now yeah. So we made the main loop, but we need to make the player leaderboard so we know how much everybody got. So in Roblox there is a starter leader stats leaderboard which makes everything simpler. I'm going to show it. So player edit connect function player. So once the player joined the game, this event is being fired and we're getting our player. Now we're going to create the leader stats. Go to call it like that. Folder in the player. So also this command instance.new it creates new object in the game. So it works like that. We're selecting the object and it appears in the game. And this one is where we are going to create our folder. Player is an object, so it's going to be inside player object. Now we're renaming leader stats to leader stats, and we create coins value. It's dot new int value Later stats coins dot name equals coins. So right now, if I join the game, it should add a leaderboard and show me 0 coins. Let's test. So yeah, as you can see, I got this leaderboard and it shows how much coins I got. So it's a standard Roblox leaderboard, but you can I can create my own if you wish. So yeah, this leaderboard just makes everything simpler. So since we got our leaderboard, we're going to add a coin to the player if it's been collected. So player dot leader stats coins equals this plus 1. I will just set a boolean. So the reason why I added this variable, because in the game you got a lot of limbs in your character, and if you touch coin a lot, it's going to add a lot of coins to your leaderboard. So I'm going to make this boolean value, and if it's not being touched, then we can collect it. So right now, since we got our player object, we're accessing the later stats and we accessing the int value coins and adding 1 coins. It's going to work, I guess. Okay, so if I touch this coin, oh yeah, I forgot. I just make a little mistake. I was adding 1 to instance to an object, but we need to add it to value. So yeah, if I touch this, I'm going to get a coin. Yeah, as you can see, I got the coin. And if I touch again, 2 coins, 3 coins, and so so we got our coins, and now we're going to make the winning. So right now I'm going to get the highest coins value. So in first players there. If we I'll just to make it clear, player dot player dot letter stats dot coins dot value bigger than highest, then highest equals this. Oh, I forgot to add player list player. It's going to be nil. Nil is just nothing. It doesn't contain anything. And highest player equals player. Now since we got the winner, we're going to print is, and then highest player dot name. So that's it. Let's check it. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to set all values of the players to 0 so the game works properly. I'm just going to make loop for index player in pairs. Also some of my subscribers watching me. So players, get players, do. So player, we'll just copy this and set it to 0. I guess the main part is done. I'm just going to test it. So I would just want to test if there's an error or not. Also, about interview, I forgot to mention that Roblox also got some free services, such as free data stores. So you don't have to pay, you don't have to appeal to get your free data store and store players' data. And it's not that much limited, so like if your game is being played by let's say 1 million players, it's going to be fine, if you of course set up it correctly. Let's see how much time passed. Just oh yeah, and now we see, since I'm the only one who got the most coins, I'm being the winner. So I forgot to make a little scene. I need to respawn all players in order to not stuck on the map. So I'm just going to make it here, player, one character. So right now I'm just reloading player's character and it's going to spawn on the spawn location. Also about all functions, we can just place Roblox player object and we can see them all here with explanation. So yeah, let's try to make, let's test with, let's say, 2 players. If it won't take that much effort. So currently we're launching the local server. So server has been launched on my PC, and there we go. So we got 2 players, 2 copy of mine character. Just need to make it a little bit smaller. So now away. Oh yeah, I forgot to check this one. So there was a problem that character didn't load it correctly and player couldn't spawn. So I just checked if player, the character, then, and then we spawn our player. Or L. No wait, I just make it better. Repeat wait until player dump character. And player dump character dot humanoid root part. So currently our server waits before player's character is being loaded and waits until there is a humanoid root part in this character. First child. So find first child is certain object in the folder, and if it exists, it's returns this object. If not, it's going to return false. Let me see again with 2 players. So and yeah, we're spawned in the map, and let's say this character collect the coin, and this collect. I just want to make sure that you can win in this game. Now I'm going to collect 2 coins and wait till the round ends. And once the round has been ended, it's a server site. We're going to get a print output here. I hope so. It takes so long. Oh, and yeah, let me see. And yeah, as we can see, the winner is player 1. So player had the most coins and he won. But it's the main part. I'm going to make a little GUI style. So I'm going to make a screen GUI in starter GUI and add a text label. So I'm going to make some settings for this GUI. Oh wait, it's too much. Text scaled, this, and love this font. So I'm going to explain everything. Currently I created a text label, which is a text label, and you got also a lot of items such as frame, text button, image label, text box, image button, and there are more stuff that's been used for GUI styling. But since our game is pretty simple, we're going to use just the text label. So we're done with GUI styling. Like now we're going to connect it. Oh yeah, I'm going to use int value. So currently I created int value in replicated storage, not in server storage, because I'm going to use player to access to replicated storage and then display it on the screen. Though this one is going to show us status of the game, and we're going to update it here. So let's connect it to our main script. We're going to make a variable called local status and game replicate storage web for child status, and then status. Okay, we're done with status. So we're going to update wait intermission time and everything else. I'm going to replace it with wait for oh god, intermission time 0 to 1 minus 1. Yeah. So it's the same way with this one, but instead we make it start from currently from 10 seconds and it goes down to 1, and this -1 is a step. If we set it to -2, we're going to get 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. But if we make -1, we're going to get 10, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and yeah, I guess you get it. So we're going to update status. Let's down value equals intermission dot I yeah, I guess leave it like that, and then wait 1 second. So every second that is being passed, we're going to update this status, and it's going to be displayed on our screen, such as intermission 10. So the player gets that he have to wait 10 seconds before the game begins. We're done with it, and now we're putting here no, not here, we're going to put in the collect time. So game time I will call it, and then collect time. Oh yeah, there you go. So every second that is being passed is going to update our text label. I guess this one, this one. Just wait a second, I'm going to also make a display winner. The winner is our highest player name, and I'm going to show how much coins he got. This. Oh yeah, highest. Yeah, better use string that format. So string format is another such as math thing, but it works with strings. So string format is going to format. I guess you'll see it. It's hard to explain for me, so I'm sorry. So this one will replace it is being replaced with our highest value. So if we, for example, placed 30, we're going to get this. Yeah, so guess you got it. Highest and here, and then we're going to wait 3 seconds before the game ends fully and restarts. Also about coins, I guess I need to make a folder where coin is being spawn, or no, wait, no, I just since we got only one map, I'm going to make it destroy in workspace. If workspace find first child coin, then workspace dot coin destroy. So currently if our coin is being spawned and the game ends, it will just destroy the coin and just clear the map, I guess. So we're done. Oh no, we're not done yet. So I was talking, or I guess you remember I was talking about local site and server side, and I'm going to make a screen GUI client sided to not injure the server side, because a lot of connections and other stuff that is being played on server will lag it a lot. So I'm going to save in variable status for channel status, and then if status is being changed, changed is the variable, or no, it's an event which will be fired if something changed in the value. So let's say I change it to, let's say, cool, it will be triggered, and oh wait, oh, it's an int value, I forgot, I need to make a string value, it's the wrong one, string value, and just replace it. I was using int value and it was wrong because it can only store numbers, but we also need to store text. So if I set it to cool, this event is going to be fired. So connect function. Oh, and it's also, I forgot to save text label. Local text label equals script.parent with child text label. So about this script parent. Script is our global. Global is used in I don't know how to explain. Programmers call it global. So this thing will access to our currently working script. So it's this one, and get to its parent, which is screen GUI. It's here, and then access to text label, and then I'm sorry, and if status been changed, we're setting text to status dot value. Wait. Let's check it with in single player. So yeah, as you can see, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the game begins. So I'm collecting coins alone. Yeah, I'm just going to make it go faster because I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait a lot of time. Just waiting. And yeah, there we go. We got 30 seconds to collect coins. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Ovoshka. It's me, and I had 6 coins. I'm going to make it wait 5 seconds because it takes too long. It's really fast, and players need to see who won. So right now I'm not really satisfied with sounds because we don't have any sounds with collecting, and and we also got no music, which is kind of boring. So I'm just going to add coin collect. It's also is being in toolbox. You can find free assets here, and listen to it. I guess this one is going to be good. I'm going to place coin collect in the coin and call it sound and listen to it again. I hope you hear the sound right. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So yeah, right now I'm just going to update the script. If coin has been touched, we're going to wait. Yeah, I know what to do. We need to modify it a little bit. Transparency equals 1. Wait, I'm just going to make it here. And then I will explain it. I guess 1 second will be good. Function from destroy. Yeah, so right now I just modified the code, and when player touches the coin, we're making coin transparent or invisible. So this one property, if I set it to .5, it's going to be half transparent, and if I set it to 1, it's going to be full transparent, and player can see it. And so on. After 1 second, delay function, it sounds like another script which will work a different way. I don't know how to explain it. So once we launch this function and 1 second pass, we destroy our coin, but the main part still works, and like While this working, this one already begun. So now, since we make our coin transparent, we're going to play the sound. So right now I just access to sound and called function play. Also, I really like this feature which is called object browser, where you can look into all objects in the game, and for each one you can get function, event, and other stuff. So right now sound should work if we collect the coin. Let's see. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now, yeah, now it's working. If we touch the coin, we get the sound. And also, let's get a music. So yeah, like this. So it's also music, and it's going to be played on background. Chill. Just
Or we have a meeting in 1 minute, but
all right. We
but I
can.
think generally this was super helpful.
Yeah. I can continue a little, but I guess the main part is done, so the game fully works.
Yeah.
Do I have to?
If you want, once the stream is done on YouTube, it's uploaded, right?
Yeah, it's been uploaded.
Yeah.
So
I mean, you can continue if you really want to, but otherwise, I think it's also like considered done as the game.
so you got what you needed, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. Thanks a lot. Let